Hey, what's up, team? Hey, I just want to talk to you a little bit about what transpired with me this morning. I typically take the expressway to the office, but today, for some reason, I decided to take the scenic route and just see if there's any new developments coming along or if there's any buildings that I need to be looking at in particular. And I stumbled upon this one shopping center and I pulled into the parking lot. I saw a guy out there. It's about 8 in the morning, so he had to be one of the tenants, renting the shopping center, renting a space in the shopping center. So I pulled up on him and I asked him if he knew the owner's number and if he rented there. He said yes, and he knew the owner's number. I asked him if he can give me the owner's number, and guess what? He gave me the owner's number. So now that I'm back in the office, I want to make this video for you all first, just to show you that going after these off-market properties, it's a contact sport. You will have to talk to people. You will have, if you're not used to talking to people, get uncomfortable, start talking to people, because you'll be surprised once you start asking questions how people are willing to help you. Not only did he give me the owner's number, he also let me know that he owned the shopping center across the street. He also let me know who owned the building adjacent to that shopping center. So, and I got his number. He's gonna call me when the other owner that's in the adjacent building gets to work. I mean, gets to the building. So, I got 3 potential deals just by taking the scenic route to work and getting out of my comfort zone, talking to someone I don't know. So, if you want to get off market deals, if you want to increase your pipeline, get out here, talk to people, let people know what you're looking for. And it's a numbers game. So the more you do that, you're bound to find deals. So that's what I want to talk to y'all about this morning. Get out there, talk to people, get these deals. All right, let's go.